All right, hello everybody. Welcome back for another sketching exercise. Uh, Today we're going to be doing Chapter 2, Tutorial 2 out of our textbook. So make sure that your SolidWorks is set to MMGS if it's not already done so. And we're going to open a sketch in the front plane. All right, so what I'm going to start out with today is a line. I'm going to start from the origin and I'm going to drag out to the left about 100 millimeters. Again, just give or take, doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm going to come out here. We're going to do an arc. Our first arc is going to be a radius of 40 millimeters. So we're going to get that locked in. We're going to get kind of close. And then we are just going to continue drawing. And we have about 15. Come out here. And we're going to fix those two up. And before I get started, one of the things that I want to do here, I'm going to make both of these center points coincident. It's going to lock that in place. And then we're going to go around and we're going to start dimensioning everything. So we will start out with our first dimension, which is going to be 100 millimeters. Then we're going to dimension our radius here to 40 millimeters. Then we will dimension, we're already locked in, so we won't need to do that one. We're going to do this one to 15. And then we will dimension this one, which is already locked in. We're not going to have to do. We're already at a fully defined sketch. Really quick. Doesn't take a long time, but you know, you can, if you're not paying attention to certain things, it can kind of mess you up a little bit. All right, so this is one way. Now, generally what winds up happening, we're going to go through a different version of this, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything on here, and we will resketch this one. So if you haven't figured it out by now, I do like to show a few different ways to draw things. There's no necessarily wrong way or right way. It's just a way, and you need to get comfortable with the way you like to draw. So 100 millimeters, come out, come back down. We're going to do another radius, about 40 millimeters. I'm going to come back in here, 15. And what we're doing is we're just getting everything locked in. Like so. And we've closed everything up. All right, so we'll start dimensioning right now. We're going to make this 100. We'll make this 40. That one should be locked in place. This one is going to be locked in place. Make this one 25. And we'll make this one 15, which locked this one in place. So the only thing that we have not done yet, now if you look right here, let's skip out of here, our two center points are not lined up. So there's two different ways we can go about fixing this. And I can do the two center points and make them coincident, or I can add relations to these points here and make them vertical to each other. And once I do that, then my sketch is locked into place and it is fully defined. Very simple, not very difficult. Seems a little intimidating at first, but it is not. I hope you enjoyed. This is a short video, If you have any questions, just hit me up in class, leave a message down below, and I will get back with you. Again, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.